Me I fix up my shop, and me stop shit in a pot. So why you come tell me now? Zoe need to go school. How would the people them name we come here yard for take away picnic them if the picnic them not go to school? But them people name? CDA need to intervene. CDA need to intervene. You're not a good mother. Alright, honestly, I tell you now. She picture you like a good mother. But you see, the responsibility of a good mother, she not have that. Me hear the daughter say something. Me hear Anna say something one time in our screen recording. Me hear Anna say she's not a good mother. She's a mother where we have sex in another room, yeah, and they putting them in the next room or something like that. If me a lie, you not tell me say I lie, me I tell. Me not go continue, you just tell me if I lie. I lie, me I tell. Me see a screen recording with her daughter, Anna. Yes, so when me hear them things, you know, carelessness. And everybody will disagree now. Anybody will disagree now. Because I see the comment section who has got something mother who Prezi. Better the man them dey pa my life, better the woman them dey pa my life and tell me go suck my mother, yeah? Me no want no man pa my life and tell me go suck my mother. Yeah, cause so why the fuck we not have a man pan on a bomb buckler phone screen? Why we not have a man pan on a phone screen? And then a comment about suck mother. You see no sense? Teacher, where are you with?
What go on?
Me build the poster.
I'm gonna see it.
Me text you. You not answer.
Yeah, I see one message from me. I told the thing there, bro. You see when any line.
Yeah, man, but build the poster. Some of you over here, you don't know picnic, eat, sleep, or drink. And that's why no picnic, I got road. Go do one bag of something. You know what the worst thing? For a child, got road, go look love. That's one of the worst thing.
What you say now, bro?
No, me I big up the good mother them, but me I say, you're real youth. I'm never seen an argument yet unless somebody dry out.
Yeah.
And the input where you put in the conversation the other day, me not find it, me not see the need for nobody to cuss you. Are you feeling up?
I don't, you look like they misunderstand, bro. I guess they misunderstand.
No, you see, don't say people I always misunderstand. You can't say nothing for you, don't say somebody understand them dark and fool.
True. I say true.
Me see one don't say somebody pan live and like the somebody I take out the ear, the files here, and the person say in the comments say use alcohol. You know what they don't say? Oh, you call alcoholic. Me look alcoholic. Move for yourself. Me I say.
What am I talking about now? Me last now.
Yeah, I said for you for last. You're for last. Me I say. Your input where you put what input what the end of the argument. It's not wrong, and people for just listen people suggestion. Would say suggestion. Would I say people for just listen one another and just do the right thing. Cause for your mother, you can't have your daughter sell.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. Police, Jesus Christ, bro. You see me just come out of jam and you put back in one more.
You know I love that. Cause yeah, watch out. Yo, watch out.
Yo, catch your speed chat.
Catch your speed.
That boy is easy, you know. Catch your speed chat.
Me have a tune, me have a song. Tell me how this go. I want to look up part still, I build my ability in a TJ, but me build a part already.
From here.
So, hold on there. You have some girl coming like close pin as you squeeze her head or poke it open. Yeah. We need to look next to the party. Chat it.
What's a mad boy? Yeah, that you tell a mad boy. This is a mad boy, this though.
My girl, me say your bumper big and your body really neat. Look on TJ with the ear and 9 teeth. Tick-tacking on the bed, no bother drop in a sheet.
Yo, we're not good.
Yeah, we're good.
This.
No, I'm not this. Other part here. Me have girl with me no mention. Cocky extension. Bright and face. The girl no get rank. Cocky longer than the drive. Take figure a sentence. Girl with me no mention. Alright then. Flash out the pussy like a ratchet. If you patch it, I'm not a baller. Pa my third leg, me catch it. Before she bring the...
West. Trudy, me know say Trudy night. Accept the match.
Where?
Come now, this something it's a freeze, man. Oh,
just
survive.
just that one.
Nah, see it, bro.
Alright, here we go on. May I jump and come back?
Where say?
May I jump and come back?
Alright.
Big up the good mother them. Big up your mother them we stand them ground. From them say A, them picnic can do B. Big up them mother them. Big up the mother them we send them picnic to school right through like night Jew. And when them out school, them still a go to school. Cause them don't want come farm no fool. Big up them nice clean mother them. Them nice clean mother them I talk about. Me not talk about the mother them but them are sexy same man. Them mother that Callous mother. Yeah, them mother that Callous mother. May I tell you this? No time when she there here. She know. You know some mother would have call them picnic every night. Not she. She not do that. Big up your mother them will love them youth to the max, to the ground where them walk pan. Yeah. I doubt if she ever go on PTA meeting it. I doubt if you ever go on PTA meet. You either walk this mother. Work list. Walk your work list than Callous. Your work list than a dull Callous. And Anna. I respect you, Anna. I respect you. You know why I respect you? Because all this time you have been telling the people that this lady is so messed up. And nobody not believe you. Nobody. I mean, I want a bumbo clock body come over here come tell me if I left the woman alone. Cause when she do over them for my name 7 days and 7 blood clot night, Uno, they over there entertain. No bumbo clock body no do over there tell us, Lord the youth, come out for the youth. Come out for the youth. I want to tell you, the whole bumbo clock uptown have one bag of something for say. Cause of she, the whole bumbo clock uptown have things to say. Can see me on a road and I say this and I say that because a big stinking Annie. That make everybody can see me on a road and I try go on at them and diss me. Also I'm looking dopey but when I name. I come go on at them and diss me because of you. So me enough to talk, me enough to come over here, me enough to come say nothing at all. Every time I go up on the road somebody see me.